You're honestly wasting time if you're not using Google in a way that I am about to show you today in this step-by-step tutorial, because even complete beginners can make up to $1,500 a day with this one single trick that I will be sharing with you today in this video. So make sure you stick with me until the end. And don't worry, you don't have to invest any money, and you don't need to build any website to set this up. So step number 1 is to go over to google.com. Now, the biggest mistake that most beginners make is search for different businesses around the world, and that's the method that they use. They find a bunch of businesses and then they start emailing them and immediately start offering different things. But instead, what you can actually do is you can use a bunch of lead scrapers that will actually help you find those emails by one press of a button, so you don't have to go out there and find emails of each business one by one. There are many email scrapers for Google. Like, you can use this email scraper called Outscraper for this purpose. Or you could also use this Chrome extension called Instant Data Scraper. For now, I will be using Outscraper. Now, once you sign up, you can just select a category. Let's say, for example, you want to sell something to dentists. You can select the dentist category, in the US only, and you can also target a specific location if you want, like a specific state or specific city and so on. Let maximum results be unlimited. And I want to extract emails and also company insights. And rest, I'm just going to live it like this. And then we just click Get Data. And this AI tool will basically scrape Google search and find dentists that I can contact. And for now, this would give me about 40,000 different leads that I can literally email or cold call right away. But this is way too many leads, and we only need to target a specific type of audience. And this would cost me a lot of money. As you can see, the rough cost would be like $400 to $1,400. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to specify the maximum number of leads. Let's say I just need 10 leads, and I'm going to click on Get Data. And as you can see, now I can get these leads for free. Then I click on Confirm. Well, now I'm going to get 10 different leads. With that, I will get 10 different emails and 10 different contact details in just a few minutes. And I can immediately start reaching out to them. Now, once you get those different emails using Outscraper, you can just send them this script over here. So you would basically just change this with their first name, which you can find in the lead data or on their website. And in this way, it's going to be way more personal. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to say, "Hello, Dr. Allen. I recently came across your impressive work within your field," who in this case is a dentist. But your target audience could literally be anything or anyone. It can be a gym, it can be a coffee shop, it can be a business coach, or literally any other profession. And you could also add some personalized lines that would actually make sense to the person that you're sending this to, so that it does not look like a very generic email. So I have prepared a specialized analysis video for you, and then mention a dream outcome here, depending on the offer that you're promoting. For example, if you're targeting a coffee shop and the offer that you're promoting is a digital marketing program that will help them get more brand recognition on social media, then you can add those dream outcomes here. And then you can ask them about where you can send the analysis video. Now you see, you can scrape 1,000 emails at once, and you can email 1,000 different people. But out of 1,000, most probably only 1% of them will actually reply to you. And that's more than enough. Because you don't need a lot of people to make thousands of dollars. You need just a few of them. But you need to choose the right offer. And that brings me to the next step, which is actually choosing the offer to promote. Now there's two different ways. You can either create the offer yourself, or you can just promote an affiliate offer. Now, I would highly recommend to actually create your own offer that you can send to these people to maximize your income. And also, you could actually charge a lot more than if you promoted someone else's offer as an affiliate. But if you don't want to go through all of that, like building the website and then building the offer and so on, you can also just sign up for some free affiliate networks. Now, let's say you send them this email and you also have an offer to promote. But now, instead of giving them your affiliate link straight away in the next email, which is a big mistake most beginners make, you should ideally make a short video presentation showing them how the service or product you are offering can help them achieve their dream outcome. Now, whether it's getting more appointments or getting their website rank on top in Google or whatever that might be, you can just make a short video doing a quick go-through of that product or service you're promoting, explaining to them about why this might be useful. And even then, you shouldn't straight up tell them to sign up through your affiliate link. Instead, you should just ask them to book a call. And now, for creating the short video about your product or service, you can sign up to a platform called Loom for completely free. And you could also pitch them your offer in that video. So essentially, when those people start replying to your emails, is when you would send them this explainer video. And then they may book a call with you through Google Meet, Zoom video call, or any other way. And then, when you get in a call with them, you can pitch them your offer. Now, this systematic way of doing things converts a lot better than straight up cold calling. But if you don't want to record videos and do all those things, you could choose an easier option. And that is to just straight up send them your affiliate links. But honestly, that's not going to convert as well as if you actually went through this process. So to sum it up, first you would find a product to sell, whether that's your own offer or someone else's offer. And then make a quick Loom video explaining how you can help those people with your offer. And then you can tell them to book a call with you below the Loom video. Or else you could just directly send them to an affiliate link, which does sometimes work too. I really hope you got some value out of this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And if you liked this video, please drop a like down below, and I will see you next time.